after you have validated the email, or you're logging in for the first time after you've signed up and verified your email, this is the same screen that you will see from the task lemon. You will click on the login button either on the top right corner or here, and you can use a social network to log in, or you can manually log in. We're going to log in manually to provide your full email address. Remember me if you would like the system to remember you for at least 30 days. So you don't have to constantly log in if it's like your only work laptop or PC. This is the screen that you will see. Set up your CoreHub. This is where you will land after you verified your email. Or after you verify the email you're logging in for the first time. This is where you will set up your organization. So let's say I'm Google and I want to create a project about Android mobile. So I would name my organization Google because that is my main company name. Now Google is actually known as Alphabet. So I would put in Alphabet and I'll set up a project Google browser or Google search or Android mobile app or Android OS, right? Um, we are task lemon, right? So I would put down task lemon and it would automatically provide you your direct URL for your organization. So you won't have to, tell somebody, hey, go to task lemon and then log in and then type this. No, you can just tell them, hey, this is a direct link, task hyphen lemon dot tasklemon.com. Or let's say you run a you want to create a mobile game and you want to name your company best game, right? And you have no space or no hyphen, and you can tell somebody to just go directly bestgame.tasklemon.com, and they would have to log into that. And you can see you can't change this, and it changes whatever you make changes to your organization, and it changes here automatically. Let's call our organization Task Lemon Guide. Okay, you can see we have a hyphen over here. That is okay. And continue to plan selection. Don't be scared to when you see continue to the plan selection, because we do have a free plan which you can go with, and you can explore all the other plans. In the next video, we will go over with the details of the plans, what each an item is and what it does, and what is the best plan that might be suitable for you. Though I would highly suggest for you to sign up for a free plan. All you have to do is click on create with free plan and continue with that, because this is soon going away. And woohoo! You signed up for the first time. CoreHub created. Your CoreHub is live. Great start. Your milestone progress has been recorded. So now you can see your corporate or your organization, your company, your software name is right up here, Task Lemon Guide. Cool? Alrighty. We will catch you on the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn the notification on. And if you have any questions or suggestion for the next video, feel free to either email or leave it in a comment, and I will be sure to help you. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you next time. Bye-bye.